Got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Happy August. I feel like I haven't vlogged the whole July, so we're starting off strong by going to IKEA. We're actually picking up the 2 shelves. This will be our first IKEA trip, so we might go in there, check out what they got, and then maybe try some meatballs. So cool.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Update, we finally made it to IKEA. Andy took the wrong turn, so we had a little time to explore the city. So Andy can finally say he driven in San Francisco. I think the setup is so cute. Look at this, Andy.
Tự cần open, bro.
I know, but it's so cute. When I tell you I was in awe the whole time, I'm not exaggerating. I don't know, maybe the older I get, the more exciting the thought of furniture, even just looking at it, becomes. Perhaps it's a good thing that my house is nowhere near IKEA or any furniture stores. I will spend hours just walking in there. They have everything from couches and beds to kid toy and kitchen utensil. Everything is just so cute and well displayed, in my opinion. Like everything had its own purpose. That's why I find it brilliant how they utilize things that they already have and create a space that buyers are looking for. To me, not only they sell furniture, but also a lifestyle. I like how they display the area. So this space is 400 square feet. And you can see that you can make a kitchen out of it. And here's the bathroom. I also have a little bedroom, a little working area. And here is a washing area. And that's pretty cool too. Like, you see how smart it is that they use pegboard to display all the pans and all of the kitchenwares. And also, instead of like just displaying the tray regular, like flat, they put it up on the wall so you can have it a better view of it. Why does it look like this? They have all of the toy. Now you have too many fish, Andy. They even have little thing for ice cream, little vegetable. A little astronaut. What you gonna hide in there?
Yo, it's so fun. He does.
How is it? Is it good? This is Andy reaction.
It's good.
How would you rate it?
Oh
Wow, that's pretty high.
Alright, good. It's like gravy.
It's soft. And it, I don't know, it doesn't taste like meatball to me. Pulled pork bun. happy about this. And then let me go. Have the paper or the ticket.
I don't think that I got time for shit. When no one's hitting on my line,
Bye, Hammer.
I've been waiting for this. But she working overtime, you see. I've been spending all day thinking about you and how we gon' make it out, baby, come through. I'ma keep it real, and you know that. Sometimes I wanna feel, wanna go back. I pop me a pill, wanna slow down. Dreams ain't get you meals, let it go now. I'm a simple guy and I got simple demands. So how the times change, would the world give me a chance? I don't know. That's how the wind blows. Don't go. Gotta make it la 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 la. I don't think that.
If anyone interested, I'll put them on my Depop.
I got time for shit. When
I can't tell if this way is cuter or this way is cuter.
no one's hitting on my line, I've been waiting for this all day. Homie said that he gon' slide. I got a shawty and she right for me, but she working overtime, you see. I've been spending all day thinking about you and how we gon' make it out, baby, come through. You know that I'm grateful that I got me a
This
home.
one is
The heart of a shawty, you hold me down, yeah. I can see you when you out there on your own. Take a picture 'cause it never lasts long. If I had to beat you, I wouldn't change a thing, yeah. Gotta see it through, it's all about the play. You know everybody here, shit can make your heart sing. But know that we gon' make it if we stick with our team, yeah. I don't think that I got time for shit. When no one's hitting on my line, I've been waiting for this all day. Homie said that.
ta-da! So this is our final look. I just found out I have 2 more pairs in that box, in those 2 boxes, so we're just gonna keep it there. It looks so better already. Good afternoon, guys. It is the next day. Today is the only day off of mine during this week. So, as you see in the title, I am going to London in less than 2 weeks. How crazy is that? However, there's a little tiny problem, which is I haven't booked anything. So, let's plan my London trip together, shall we? I have my MacBook here. I will start sharing my screen. So, we're going for 6 days, and there's a lot of things that I want to do in London. However, we will have to vlog one day because we are going to see Taylor Swift. I have marked every landmarks that I want to visit. However, I don't think we'll have enough time to visit all of them. So we will save some for our next London trip, which I don't know yet, just saying. So I found on TikTok there is a pizza making class and I really want to try that out. Let me pull up the website. Book now. Should be this one. So the next thing that I want to try it out is definitely Buckingham Palace. So let's go to their website. The one thing that I really want to see is the change of guard. I don't know, there's something really special of it, and I want to be able to watch it on my first trip to London. So let's plan around that event. We just do the regular standard missions. Wait, do you see what I'm seeing? Is young person 18 to 24. Technically, my boyfriend is still 23. He will be 24 in September, so we all be under 24, and that save at 11.5 pounds per each person. So let's put 3, continue, and voila. Even though I just booked everything, I have done so much researches, watched so much videos, especially on TikTok. I even have a playlist that is public. If you guys planning your London trip, make sure to go to my page and check it out. I'm pretty sure it will be really helpful. It has videos showing you how to use the tube, to restaurant, to play to eat, all of that fun stuff. Oh, one more thing, my boyfriend's birthday is next month, and I want to say thank you for coming to London with me. He basically let me plan all the trip, not in a bad way, because I like to plan my own thing. I like to know where I'm going. So I want to surprise him with the Monster Jam ticket as a thank you, and also as a birthday present. And I will now real quick and book. So thank you guys for planning with me. See you guys on Sunday for the Monster Jam shows.
I had an old time soul, baby, we were kissing for the whole ride home. Laying making wishes, it was all night long. You told me you loved me and I sang this song. I sang this song. I had an old time soul, baby, we were kissing for the whole ride home. Laying making wishes, it was all night long. You told me you love me and I sang this song. I sang this song. OB, life in the hills, it ain't all bad. Wait by the phone till you call back. Drove to the beach with the top back. Top back, top back. Life days and broke.
Hi guys, I literally had to move to a different spot because it is way too sunny over there, and it is literally 6:30 right now, which is really crazy to me. If you're wondering why there's no clip from the Monster Jam show, that is because I didn't go. Yeah, so we got stuck in traffic for literally 2 hours, and when we made it to the gate, the parking lot was full. We couldn't get in. It is a little bit upsetting. My boyfriend and I were so excited about the show, and yeah, we couldn't make it. He dropped me off home because he has some errands to do. I took a nap and woke up really hungry, so I just got sushi. You guys, I just drove past the cutest lemonade stand ever, and I feel so bad because I couldn't get it because I don't carry any money on me.
Made that pretty girl in the city world, sneaking out the window like we used to. We don't have to hide, but girl, we choose to. Summer 16, you